As the world looks for sustainable energy sources to mitigate climate change, hydrogen fuel cells are emerging as a promising alternative to traditional fossil fuels and even battery electric vehicles, BEVs. At the forefront of this transition is Hyundai, a global automotive leader with a strong commitment to zero-emission mobility solutions. Hyundai's advancements in hydrogen fuel technology position them as a pioneering force, and the unveiling of the 2025 Hyundai hydrogen tank marks a notable step in this journey. With its increased efficiency, improved safety, and forward-thinking design, the 2025 Hyundai hydrogen tank signifies a leap forward in hydrogen vehicle technology and emphasizes Hyundai's commitment to a cleaner future. Hyundai's legacy in hydrogen fuel. Hyundai has been a trailblazer in hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, an effort evident in the development of the Hyundai Nexo and earlier fuel cell models. The Hyundai Nexo, launched in 2018, demonstrated Hyundai's dedication to practical, zero-emission vehicles that combine innovation with user-friendly design. Hyundai has invested billions in hydrogen research, focusing on refining fuel cell technology and expanding hydrogen infrastructure worldwide. Positioning the 2025 hydrogen tank as a breakthrough. The 2025 hydrogen tank technology reflects Hyundai's intent to revolutionize the hydrogen vehicle market. This model is built with enhanced storage capacity, compact dimensions, and significantly improved efficiency, addressing past limitations of hydrogen tanks. This hydrogen tank aims to make hydrogen vehicles more competitive, creating a viable alternative to both traditional gas-powered cars and electric vehicles. Lightweight and durable materials. The 2025 hydrogen tank's construction uses high-strength materials such as carbon fiber composites and advanced polymers. These materials allow for a significant reduction in vehicle weight without compromising the tank's durability or integrity. Lightweight construction is essential for enhancing vehicle efficiency and driving range, as it allows more energy to be allocated to propulsion. Innovative tank structure. Hyundai has designed the hydrogen tank with a multi-layered structure to optimize safety, durability, and resilience under high pressure. The tank structure's engineering enables it to withstand the high pressures required for hydrogen storage. This innovation offers a compact solution that maximizes fuel density, leading to longer driving ranges between refueling sessions and providing drivers with a convenient experience. Enhanced safety standards. Safety remains a top priority for Hyundai's hydrogen vehicles, and the 2025 tank incorporates multiple layers of safety mechanisms. The reinforced casing and leak-proof materials are rigorously tested to ensure impact resistance and heat tolerance, thus offering an extra layer of security to hydrogen vehicle users. Hyundai has subjected this tank design to extreme conditions to certify its durability and reliability under all conditions. Pressure management systems. Managing the high pressures needed for hydrogen storage is another critical aspect of Hyundai's new hydrogen tank. The advanced pressure control mechanisms regulate the tank's internal environment, optimizing the balance between fuel storage and vehicle performance. High-quality valves and seals prevent hydrogen leakage, ensuring a safe experience for the driver and passengers. These enhancements also contribute to the tank's longevity, making hydrogen technology a more attractive option for long-term vehicle ownership. Extended range potential. The 2025 hydrogen tank technology supports significantly extended driving ranges, allowing hydrogen vehicles to compete with conventional fuel vehicles in terms of travel distance. By increasing hydrogen density, Hyundai has created a solution that stores more fuel within a compact space, directly translating into longer ranges. This improvement makes hydrogen vehicles ideal for both daily commutes and longer trips, which previously posed challenges for alternative fuel vehicles. Improved refueling process. One of the main advantages of hydrogen vehicles over BEVs is their refueling speed, and Hyundai's 2025 hydrogen tank makes this process even faster. By using advanced tank materials and an innovative design, Hyundai has optimized refueling times to offer a convenient, gasoline-like experience. This fast refueling feature addresses a significant pain point of BEVs, enhancing hydrogen's appeal as a practical and convenient energy solution for drivers. Reduced carbon footprint. As the automotive industry aims for zero-emission goals, hydrogen fuel cells stand out as a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels, especially when powered by green hydrogen. Hyundai's manufacturing process for the 2025 hydrogen tank also incorporates sustainable practices, reducing the environmental impact of production. As green hydrogen production becomes more widespread, the overall life cycle emissions for hydrogen vehicles could become some of the lowest in the market. Cost efficiency over time. While hydrogen technology has historically been more expensive than traditional vehicles, Hyundai's advancements in fuel cell technology and tank materials have driven costs down. The potential for reduced production expenses, combined with Hyundai's commitment to reliability, translates to lower long-term costs for consumers. This cost efficiency may encourage wider adoption, making hydrogen vehicles more accessible to various market segments. Hydrogen tank in passenger and commercial vehicles. The 2025 hydrogen tank is designed to appeal to a broad audience, from everyday drivers to commercial fleet operators. Hyundai's hydrogen tank technology can be implemented across different vehicle types, including passenger cars, SUVs, trucks, and buses. This versatility makes it easier for Hyundai to integrate hydrogen technology into various markets and vehicle categories, ensuring that both individual and commercial buyers can access efficient hydrogen-powered options. Market expansion beyond South Korea. Hyundai has ambitious plans to expand hydrogen vehicle sales across Europe, North America, and Asia, focusing on regions with strong environmental policies. The new hydrogen tank technology aligns well with Hyundai's international goals, catering to countries prioritizing emissions reduction. By enhancing hydrogen vehicle performance and affordability, Hyundai is well positioned to capture significant market share across these diverse regions. Comparison with other hydrogen technology leaders. In the hydrogen vehicle market, Hyundai competes with brands like Toyota and Honda, both of which have also invested in hydrogen fuel technology. While Toyota's Mirai and Honda's Clarity showcase their commitment to hydrogen, Hyundai's 2025 hydrogen tank offers unique advantages, such as increased fuel density and faster refueling. Hyundai's focus on making hydrogen technology more accessible and affordable also sets it apart, appealing to consumers looking for cost-effective zero-emission options. Hyundai's leadership in hydrogen development. Hyundai's sustained investment in hydrogen technology has established it as a leader in sustainable mobility. By continuously innovating and refining their hydrogen systems, Hyundai not only strengthens its market position, but also contributes to the global shift toward hydrogen infrastructure. Collaborations and partnerships with hydrogen suppliers and infrastructure developers are expected to play a role in Hyundai's expansion, making hydrogen a viable option for a wider audience. Current challenges in hydrogen infrastructure. Despite the promise of hydrogen vehicles, a lack of hydrogen refueling infrastructure remains a barrier to widespread adoption. Without a network of hydrogen stations, potential customers may hesitate to invest in hydrogen technology. Hyundai is aware of this challenge and is actively pursuing partnerships to develop and expand hydrogen refueling networks, ensuring that infrastructure growth keeps pace with consumer interest. Future innovations in hydrogen technology. Looking ahead, Hyundai's research and development team is focused on next-generation hydrogen tanks that are even lighter, more durable, and capable of storing higher fuel densities. Future models may feature enhanced tank capacities, providing even longer ranges and improved efficiency. Hyundai's commitment to innovation ensures that as hydrogen technology advances, they will remain at the forefront, continually improving their products to meet evolving consumer needs. Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai hydrogen tank represents a significant milestone in Hyundai's journey towards sustainable mobility. By combining safety, efficiency, and convenience, Hyundai has created a tank that appeals to both environmentally conscious consumers and those looking for practicality. With its extended range, fast refueling times, and environmentally friendly design, the 2025 Hyundai hydrogen tank demonstrates Hyundai's commitment to creating a viable alternative to traditional and electric vehicles. In summary, Hyundai's new hydrogen tank solidifies its position as a leader in the zero-emission vehicle market. As Hyundai continues to innovate, consumers can look forward to more advanced and accessible hydrogen technology, paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future in transportation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, give us a like, and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.